How to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can cancel your Disney Plus subscription, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. Now there are many ways to do this depending on whether you're using iOS or Android, but the easiest way that you can achieve this is by simply going to your browser, going to disneyplus.com website. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link below and make sure that you're signed into the account on which you'd like to cancel the subscription. Of course, if you have multiple account profiles, just select the primary account holder's avatar over here. Now, once you do that, if you look at the very top right hand side, you will be able to find your profile icon. So make sure to tap the profile icon from the very top right hand side, and under it you'll find another option here known as account. So you want to make sure to tap the account option. As you tap on the account option there, if you look over here, you should be able to see the billing details option. So right here, you should be able to see billing details. Make sure to tap on it. You can see I have an active subscription. As you do that, the final option you'll find at the bottom over here is the option known as cancel subscription. So just make sure to click the cancel subscription option and just confirm that you wish to cancel your account by clicking the red complete cancellation button as well. And once you've done that, if they ask you for a survey, you can go ahead and then complete that survey as well. But to give you a basic context, this way you'll be able to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.